Hey, this is Kalani over here, and this is what's on my shelf. Yeah, what's on my shelf. Let's start from the beginning on the top of my shelf over here. I got all this. You might notice this little ambiance over here. Kind of my forest is starting to grow out from that side and starting to grow on these shelves. So can't help it. Anyway, talking about the forest theme. On top of here, we got a Tang garden. It's a nice game where you're building your own garden. It's like very sandy, where you put your characters and you're playing those cards. You put fishes and kois and the lotus plants out. It's very nice to look at. It's just two-dimensional, and then you get extra points wherever your character is and what he's looking at. He's looking at the nice beautiful mountains with the waterfalls. You get points for that, you know. We got the other person that's enjoy the rock patterns, and then you get points for that. Put the monk in there and you get points for however the rocks in front of you, that kind of thing. That's why it's a little different, but wow, it's something neat. Kickstarted it. It finally came in before the lockdown, so that was nice to have something too very relaxing to look at. So that's that was a plus. Then we'll move down over here. We got Dragon Castle behind there. It's a nice mahjong looking kind of thing. Just put very simple, easy. We had that for like, I don't know, like 3-4 years already. Maybe longer. Maybe 2016, that's 4 years already. But it makes a nice backdrop too for my little character. I had her for, wow, very long time. And these are all the gifts that other people had of, you know, the crystal. Thank you if you ever see this. Still appreciate, still have it. Yeah. And I have another gift, a little tiger. So cute little chubby. Can't even see it. Yeah. Hey, where are you? There you go. Hi. My little guardian. Cute. Like meow 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 meow. See, okay, perfect. Then we got any little plants over here, you know, kind of add to the ambiance. And this is still my top area. Yes, it's matches my forest theme. And then keep moving over here. By the way, this is our real pine cones. They're real nice. They're just, it's like cinnamon, yeah, real nice. And over here we got my little light. I really like that. It's like, you know, simple, easy, but you got different modes. You got, you know, just turn on and just, it's like candle. I don't know if that's showing up over there. So you get that candle effect. And then you got regular, like just turn it on. And then you got the turn mode. It's just like it zooms in and then zooms out. That's probably getting washed out already. Yeah, so you got different modes there. Got it on candle. Again, yeah, that's pretty much it. And you got a wingspan over here in the back. You gotta love that birds. If you like birds, you probably really enjoy that one because just looking at birds, collecting birds. It's kind of fun. It's easy. Yeah. All right, that was on my top shelf over there. I went through that real quick, but if you like that, let me know. All right, guys, take care.